Are you looking for the best wrist dive computer in your budget? In this video, I'm going to talk about the top 5 best wrist dive computer 2022 that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you need more information about these products and their latest prices, please check out the description section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. As a dive watch, the Suunto D5 uses a mineral crystal glass screen that is readable but not as vibrant as other dive monitors. Nonetheless, it presents a simple yet informative breakdown of your diving data. The package for this product also includes a Suunto tank pod that conducts real-time wireless transmission of the tank's pressure. This device is also equally attractive as a stylish watch for outdoor activities. Its strap is removable and can be customized with other colorful straps exclusive from Suunto. However, the straps are not included in the package and are sold separately. Still, the Suunto D5 is an impressive dive monitor for beginners and scuba gear enthusiasts. It does not have many great features, but it is enough for someone about to start a scuba diving journey. Number 4. The Suunto EON Core uses a thin film transistor (TFT) LCD screen for a vibrant display below water and low lighting. The data presented on this product is customizable using Suunto's exclusive custom display function. This is preferable for divers who prefer a more readable screen. For those who want a simplified data display, this device is worthy of your attention. Past some unimpressive features such as low water resistance and high price, this diving equipment has covered impressive but basic features. Number 3. This Garmin Descent Mk1 has more functions than any other model, packed into design stylish enough for everyday wear. So, it easily claims its title as the top of the line. This computer features modes for multiple sports, swim, bike, hike, and more, monitors your heart rate, can support up to 6 gas mixes including trimix, and uses GPS technology to track your location above and below water. The Mk1 also includes a rechargeable battery and charging station, so you'll never have to find a service center during your dive holiday. This computer's full color screen is incredibly easy to read and allows you to display a photo backdrop. And, it syncs to your smartphone to make logging dives a breeze. Number 2. If you're looking for a dive computer that does everything you need and nothing you don't, the Cressy Leonardo might be your best bet. This budget-friendly model uses a single button for all its menus and settings, making it super easy to navigate. Its low-profile design fits more like a watch than a diving computer, so it's more stylish than other options in its class. And, it's easy to reset between uses, so it's a popular model for shop rental equipment and divers who share gear. Keep in mind that the Leonardo's smaller face and shortened wristband make it best for warm water use only. Number 1. Garmin is a famous watch brand known for great smart fitness watches for different physical and outdoor activities. Their Descent Mk2 is no exception. This could be the best multi-purpose diving computer for beginners as it has all supportive features like a diving watch and smartwatch. The Descent Mk2, as a diving computer, has a built-in heart rate and pulse oximetry monitor. It also has built-in maps and global navigation support, even underwater. Lastly, through the exclusive Dive app from Garmin, you can log into various relevant diving data for present and future use. Its low water resistance of 100 meters and its high price might turn off prospective owners of this watch. However, you'll never go wrong with this sophisticated and high-performance diving watch from Garmin. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to like, comments, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Hope to see you guys in the next video.